how to set up your Instagram shop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can set up your Instagram shop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to set up your Instagram shop, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Instagram, and you need to make sure that you have had a professional account for quite a handful amount of time and that Instagram has made sure that you are eligible for a shop. You can check this if you tap the three lines option from the top right and then you go to one of the options that says creator tools and controls. When you go to the tools and controls, over here you'll find an option that says set up a shop. Now in case you don't find the set up a shop option, it just means that you are not eligible for a shop, so you can instant tap on link profile to shops if you have a profile that you can link to a shop as well, and that way you should be able to go ahead and then basically set up a shop on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.